Hello, we wanted to provide you with an update regarding the registration of your block in Village Vista, Denman North. In Village Vista, we're seeing the verges have been grassed and street tree planting has begun. Most of the works have been completed here now, so we've submitted all of the relevant documentation to the ACT government for approval and operational acceptance. We anticipate this approval in the coming weeks. After that, there will be the registration of the Crown lease, and we're anticipating we're still on track to call for settlements late August, early September of this year. If you haven't already begun the process of seeking a finance approval, please start that process now. Your bank will want to arrange for a valuation of your block. Access to the site is strictly prohibited currently. However, if you advise the bank of the sales team contact numbers for Tom Binky and myself, Patricia Hepburn, we'll be very happy to facilitate that inspection for the valuers. We want to give you an opportunity as well to inspect your block prior to settlement. We'll be in contact with you in the near future about that. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to contact us.